How to create Payoneer account. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from lemme. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, go to any web browser and inside the web browser visit the official Payoneer website payoneer.com. Once you're inside the Payoneer website, click on the sign up or register button usually at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to create. Option includes freelancer, service provider, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual personal use. I chose the online seller and continue. Now simply tap on the register option available there and continue with the registration. You will need to provide the first name and last name, email address, date of birth, password, country. After entering this information, all you have to do is click on the next option available there. Now, here you will have to enter your contact information including address, city, zip code, phone number. After filling in your contact details, verify your phone number via the OTP one-time password sent to your phone. After that, you will have to provide identification documents such as national ID, driver's license, password, and create security questions to protect your account. Decide if you want to receive payments through a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard, which allows you to withdraw funds from ATMs or directly through bank transfer. You may be asked to upload a government issued ID to verify your identity as well. Ensure the documents are clear and match the details you provide. Once your account is approved, you will receive a confirmation email and you'll have to follow the instruction to activate your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.